Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and stay until the end as we dive into the question, is GoodNotes 6 the ultimate digital notebook for 2024? Let's find out. GoodNotes has been a favorite for students, professionals, and creatives looking to ditch paper notebooks for years. But does the latest version, GoodNotes 6, take things to the next level? Here's what's new and what you need to know. First off, what is GoodNotes 6? It's a digital note-taking app available on iOS, iPadOS, and Mac. It's known for its handwriting recognition, customizable templates, and smooth user experience. Think of it as the perfect bridge between old school pen and paper and modern tech. What's new in GoodNotes 6? The app introduces AI-powered features like Math Assist, which solves equations for you, and handwriting to text conversion that's faster and more accurate than ever. There's also a revamped template gallery, giving users endless options for planners, journals, and study notes. Plus, the app now supports interactive flashcards, making it a great tool for studying and organizing ideas. The pros? GoodNotes 6 offers seamless syncing across devices, making it easy to access your notes anywhere. The handwriting experience is incredibly natural, especially with the Apple Pencil. The new flashcards feature is a game changer for students, and the customization options are top-notch. The cons? It's no longer a one-time purchase. GoodNotes 6 has moved to a subscription model, which might not sit well with longtime users. Additionally, while it's feature-packed, the app can feel a bit overwhelming for beginners. So, is it the ultimate digital notebook? If you're someone who takes detailed notes, loves organizing ideas, or wants an all-in-one productivity tool, GoodNotes 6 is hard to beat. Despite the subscription fee, the app's features and user experience make it worth considering in 2024. Thanks for watching. Let me know in the comments if you've tried GoodNotes 6 and what you think about the subscription model. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.